None other than Colombia. This land is packed with excitement, charm, and breathtaking beauty. Let's dive into the magic. From the sun-kissed beaches of Cartagena to the rhythmic beats of Medellin's nightlife, Colombia is pure enchantment. Picture yourself lounging on pristine sands, the turquoise waves whispering secrets. Hungry? You're in for a treat. Colombian cuisine is a fiesta of flavors. Think arepas, fresh seafood, and the best coffee you'll ever sip. And oh, the people. Warm smiles, friendly chats, and a zest for life that'll make you feel right at home. Speaking of zest, the nightlife here is electric. Dance the night away in salsa clubs or simply stroll through the lively streets soaking in the vibrant energy. But it's not just about the hustle and bustle. Discover the rich culture and history from ancient towns like Villa de Leyva to the stunning Cocora Valley. Colombia is a mosaic of experiences waiting to be explored, so pack your bags and join us in this Colombian paradise. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel adventures. See you on the next journey.